Welcome to BoostUpStation again, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to contact and talk to customer care executive of Aliexpress, because they only provides us a textual based service with a bot continuously messaging you again and again. So to bypass that, what you need to do is just open up Aliexpress app in your mobile and go to the account, and in here just click on at the last help center. Now after going for the help center, just at last go to live chat. Just choose your options from here. Just first of all choose your orders. Okay, I have an issue with my orders, and now you select a question from here and say when will I receive my refund, and click on chat now. Now here you can see that it is showing us the orders. So just select one of them for which you are facing the issue. Any kind of issue you are facing, just click on the product on which you are facing the issue, or you can just click on other issues too. Okay, now just click on refund issues. Just follow the same things, select the order and say the product is not as described, and just click on where is my refund. So after this you can see that we have just got the option, need more support, our agents are here to help you. So just click on chat now, and now one agent will be assigned to you. It is saying that our agent is now in the chat, so you can talk to him, man. Subscribe for sure. Alright,
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.